Cut-in boxes are hard to reach and usually too small for most hands to easily attach conduit connectors. Traditional methods of attaching lock nuts like a screwdriver, pliers, or fingers don't work. Klein Tools' conduit lock nut wrench turns a complicated operation into an easy two-hand task. Perfect for hard-to-reach half-inch and three-quarter-inch connectors, this lock nut wrench works in deep or tight boxes where pliers and fingers can't. The patent-pending drive shaft design lets you easily loosen and tighten conduit connectors using a stationary twisting motion. Heavy-duty steel construction enables needed torque to loosen or tighten connectors. The innovative conduit lock nut wrench lets you work smarter, not harder, when installing lock nuts. Klein Tools, for the professional tradesperson since 1857.
Torque leader applying tools are used to deliver a set torque to a fastener. Three types of mechanism are used to alert the operator that the set torque has been achieved. These are slipping, braking, or clicking. Slipping torque wrenches and torque screwdrivers provide a guarantee that the set torque cannot be exceeded. When the set torque value is reached, the tool slips free for a short time until resetting occurs. Slipping tools are ideal for high-quality assembly operations, where application of the correct torque is essential. Accurate process control is ensured by eliminating both under and over tightening through use of the proven torque leader slipping technology. The tightening torque is not influenced by the operator's hand position, reducing the likelihood of warranty and rework through incorrect tightening. Braking tools are ideal for production line use, where the ability to fit spanner accessories make them extremely versatile. Torque leader's unique 20-degree braking mechanism gives the user both movement and reaction time once the target torque is reached, reducing the risk of both over and under tightening. Braking wrenches maximise productivity in restricted space applications through their compact slimline design. Tool replacement and downtime costs are minimised through a long-lasting, durable design proven by Torque Leader's rigorous life cycle testing process. Click tools are designed for the lower volume user, where economy is of paramount importance. When the set torque value is reached, the operator will hear a click, feel an impulse, and there'll be approximately 3 degrees of tool movement. This small angle of movement provides a very short reaction time between click and over tighten, so the tool needs to be used slowly and carefully. Continued application of force after the 3 degrees of movement will cause the torque applied to increase above the required limit. Click tools are also length dependent. The position of the hand on the tool alters the torque produced, so the operator has a significant influence over the tightening process, particularly below 100 Nm. For more information about all Torque Leader products, please visit our website at www.torqueleader.com.
Hey, this is Brendan from Tecton, here to show you how to use the Tecton 24 330 3/8 inch drive torque wrench. First, the torque wrench has a two-piece scale with the main scale on the handle body and the micrometer on the knurled handle. To set the torque wrench, loosen the lock nut at the end of the handle. This torque wrench has increments of 5 foot-pounds on the main scale and 1 foot-pound on the micrometer. I'll be tightening the header bolts on our engine, which has a manufacturer's torque setting of 25 foot-pounds. To set the torque wrench to 25 foot-pounds, turn the knurled handle so that the 0 is on the bottom of 25. Lock the torque setting by tightening the lock nut. Then you are ready to go. It is important to use a torque wrench slowly and steady so you do not miss the torque setting you want. When the desired torque setting is reached, you will hear a click. Do not continue to move the torque wrench after you hear the click, or you can over-tighten the nut or bolt. When you are finished, make sure you store the torque wrench at the lowest setting to maintain accuracy.
Introducing two new electronic torque wrenches from Gear Wrench, the 3/8 inch drive 85076 and the half-inch drive 85077. These new electronic torque wrenches make extremely accurate tightening easy because their flashing visual and beeping audible alerts let you know before you reach the target torque. So there's less chance of over-torquing fasteners, and the vibrating handle confirms you've reached the torque setting. Electronic torque wrenches are different from beam and micrometer style torque wrenches in ways many techs find useful. They're more accurate. These new Gear Wrench models are plus or minus 2% accurate in clockwise rotation and plus or minus 3% counterclockwise. They're more versatile. They switch from foot-pounds to newton-meters to inch-pounds and more at the touch of a button. Different scales don't require different wrenches. There's no unwinding after each use. Since they're electronic, not mechanical, there's no need to reset the spring back to its at-rest position. You simply switch the power off. They're more resistant to low-level shock. Even slight impacts can destroy the calibration on micrometer torque wrenches. Minor shocks generally do not affect electronic torque wrenches. But probably the biggest reason why electronic torque wrenches are gaining in popularity is their ease of use. Setup is quick and tightening fasteners to the correct torque is easier, so you can get more done in less time. Here's how easy it is to use the new electronic torque wrenches from Gear Wrench. First, press the power button to turn the wrench on. The numeric display will appear. It's important you don't apply any torque pressure to the wrench during setup. Select your preferred unit of measurement by scrolling through your choices using the Unit button. These new wrenches offer 5 choices. Foot-pounds, newton-meters, or inch-pounds are the most popular. Your choice will stay in the wrench memory until you change it. Now you can set your target torque. Press the Set button. Scroll up or down to get the right torque. Then press Set again to lock in your choice. Again, this number will stay in the wrench memory until you change it. You've selected your unit of measurement and target torque. So now you get to decide how close to the target torque you want the flashing LED and audible beep alerts to start. This is called the target torque alert, and there is no correct setting. It depends on your personal preference and working style. For example, if your target torque is 80 foot-pounds and you want the alerts to start when you're halfway there at 40 foot-pounds, you simply set the target torque alert to 50%. But if you don't want the visual and audible alerts to start until you're much closer to your target torque, you might select 25%. Then the alerts won't start until you hit 60 foot-pounds. Set the target torque alert by first pressing the percent button. Using the up or down arrow keys, scroll to the target torque alert you prefer. Then press the percent button again to lock in your choice. Now you can go to work. Here we've set our target torque to 75 foot-pounds, with the torque alert at 50%. As the target torque is approached, the visual and audible alerts begin. Once a target has been reached, both alerts turn continuous and the handle vibrates. The 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive electronic torque wrenches come with a gear wrench 1-year limited warranty and a 90-day calibration guarantee.